and gentlemen, welcome to the Great Peter's Magic Show.
Yay! I love magic. Can you make my breakfast disappear, Peter?
No, Dad. I am not a chef. I am a magician.
Huh? Now, look at this table. There is a coin. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra.
Wow. The coin is still there.
Wait. I need my magic hat. The magic is inside the hat. Mom, where is my black hat? Wait. The blanket is moving.
It is on the blue chair in the hallway, Peter.
It is not there. The blue chair is empty.
Empty? Maybe the hat performed a magic trick and disappeared by itself?
No, Dad. This is serious. My magic show cannot start without the hat.
I saw it there 10 minutes ago. 10 a.m., the hat was there. Now it is 10:10 a.m.
This is a job for...
Her, Taco, the family detectives.
Peter, stop being a magician. Start being an agent.
Yes, Detective D.
The chair is blue. The hat was black. Blue and black. Very suspicious.
Detective D, look! On the floor.
What is it? Is it a gold mine?
No, Dad. It is a white string.
A white string? My socks are white. Your shirt is white. Mom's apron is white. Everyone is a suspect.
Wait, look at the door handle. There is some pink dust.
Pink? Who likes pink in this house?
I like pink. But I didn't touch the hat.
Aha! Suspect number 1, the Queen of the Kitchen.
Agent P, take a photo of the pink dust. Use your imaginary camera.
Click. Click. Evidence collected.
Okay, Emma. Where were you between 10 and 10:10?
I was in the kitchen. I was cutting carrots. Orange carrots.
Carrots? Do carrots need a black hat?
No, David. Rabbits need hats. Maybe a rabbit took it?
Rabbit. Suspicious. Do we have a rabbit?
We have a toy rabbit. Mr. Fluffy.
Agent P, go find Mr. Fluffy. Now.
Where is the hat, Mr. Fluffy? Speak. He is not talking, Detective.
He is very quiet. We have ways to make you talk. Do you want some tea? Do you want some cake?
David, you are crazy. The rabbit is a toy.
That's what he wants us to think. Agent P, check the rabbit's ears.
Nothing here. But look at his tail. There is more pink dust.
The pink dust again. The trail leads to the bathroom.
Hello, students. Our mystery is getting very strange.
We have a missing hat, white string, and pink dust.
Let's practice some action verbs from our story.
Number 1. To disappear. Can you say that?
Disappear. Like my money when Emma goes shopping.
David. Number 2. To investigate.
Investigate. Like a real detective.
Number 3. Suspicious. 1. Suspicious. Now we need your help. Look at the screen.
Who took the magic hat? Type your answer in the comments.
And don't forget to like this video for more English mysteries. Subscribe and hit the bell. Ding, ding.
It is wet in here. Why is it wet?
No, the shower is dry. But the sink has pink bubbles. It smells like strawberries.
Mom likes strawberries.
Everyone likes strawberries, Peter.
Look, in the mirror.
Ha ha! The thief is laughing at us.
This thief is very fast and very pink.
Wait, Detective D. Look at your own head.
My head? Why? Is there a spider?
No, there is a black string on your glasses.
It's not a string. It's a piece of black cloth from the hat.
The thief was near me. I am a failure. I cannot find the hat. I am a bad detective.
Don't be sad, Dad. We can buy a new hat.
David, why are you sitting on that big pile of blankets?
Because I am tired, Emma. I need to rest.
And Mr. Bean, you have the hat.
And look, he is wearing a pink ribbon. That's where the pink dust came from.
I put that pink ribbon on him this morning.
And the white string?
That was just a thread from David's old socks.
So that's Nate's Nate's. The dog is the magician?
Yes. He made the hat disappear.
Well, friends, the case is closed. The dog is the thief.
And David, Waisterat, Orals in Winpass Brine. One, since you scared the dog, you have to clean the bathroom.
Oh no, not the pink bubbles.
Come on, Detective D. Let's wash the floor.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next case.